Hi, I'm Alexandros Papaioannou, and I would like to talk to you today a bit about my workshop on NATO and relations between the European Union and NATO. Let me start first of all quickly to say what this workshop is not about, just to be clear about that. First of all, it's not a history lesson. It's not about the evolution of the organization of NATO. It's not about relations between NATO and the European Union in a historical perspective. Secondly, it is not about the institutional arrangements. I'm not going to be starting talking about, the institutional arrangements, the councils and all that. All these things I think you can find in analysis, in books, whoever is interested, and I can brief you on that. I think that the most important thing out of this workshop is to get a better understanding. And let me say what I mean with that. First of all, to get a better understanding of what NATO was, is, and especially what it's likely to become. Looking through, let's say, a historical perspective, try to understand why the security challenges that we are facing today are what they are and how is NATO trying to address them. This is the first part of the seminar, which is going to be 4 hours. The second part of the seminar workshop is going to be on the relations between the European Union and NATO. And again, as I mentioned, it's not the institutional part, it's the political part. How does NATO fit into the context of wider European integration? Did NATO help European integration? Is it still helping the process of European integration? How does this fit in the context of European defense that we talked today about European army? Where did this come from? Where is it going? And how all these things will evolve? As I say, the key point out of this workshop is to give you basically the tools to have a better understanding and try to develop your analytical skills. And of course, from then on, you can develop, and I can be of if I have any help to support you in studying this issue any further.